This short guide explains how to buy shares of Forward Industries, Inc. Forward Industries is a manufacturing company producing industrial components, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FWDI. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy FWDI, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FWDI to find Forward Industries, Inc. Select the result that matches the company and NASDAQ listing to access the correct asset page. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the Forward Industries, Inc. listing. Make sure the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker is FWDI. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and executed when trading reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once the trade is executed or queued, the position will appear in your portfolio. For the link to eToro and more details, see the description below.